Hey guys, today I'm going to unbox the tiny 3x3. Whoa, it's so tiny. Actually, might to turn on the lights. Whoa, okay. Now it's good. So this is a very small 3x3 and let's see how it turns. Whoa, it's not like the Rubik's brand, but like it can't corner cut one bit, but I understand it. You're not supposed to be looking at speed. You just see how they managed to make it so small. Like, literally so small. Um, I'm literally like trying to turn it slowly, and I'm trying not to line it up, but it still lines up. And I don't know why that is. Oh, wow. You can even see some plastic dust right on the camera. And the one thing that I don't like about it is that it's stickered. And look, whoa, focus. Okay, so this orange center sticker is like just about to like get off. Look, see that? Okay, that's why I don't like stickered cubes. Okay, anyways, not going to get into full review. Okay, so let's say, okay, fine. Let's just say I like this, but I don't like this. Okay, let's give it a 7 out of 10. Okay, I give it a 7 out of 10. What about you guys? Tell me down in the comments, and I might make more videos and slash unboxings like these. Goodbye, see you in the next video. What just happened? I think it said a curse.